states and her main language. Andhra Pradesh Telugu, Telangana Telugu, Arunachal Pradesh tribal, Bihar Hindi, Chhattisgarh Hindi Chhattisgarhi, Goa Konkani, Gujarat Gujarati, Haryana Hindi, Himachal Pradesh Hindi Pahadi, Jammu Kashmir Kashmiri, Jharkhand Hindi Jharkhandi, Karnataka Kannada, Kerala Malayalam, Madhya Pradesh Hindi, Maharashtra Marathi, Manipur Manipuri, Mizoram Mizo, Nagaland Angami, Odisha Odia, Punjab Punjabi, Rajasthan Hindi, Sikkim Bhutia, Tamil Nadu Tamil, Tripura Tripuri, Uttarakhand Hindi Gadwali, Uttar Pradesh Hindi, West Bengal Bengali, Delhi Hindi, Lakshadweep Cheshire Mahal, Andaman and Nicobar Island tribal, Chandigarh Punjabi Hindi, Puducherry Tamil, Daman and Diu Gujarati, Dadra Nagar Haveli Hindi Gujarati.